author of this science shitpost. Hope you're having a great day. Please introduce yourself.
Damien Bertheloot. I'm a French scientist, immunologist to be exact, working right now in Germany, in Bonn. One of the authors of a review where we published this image, which ended up to be a shitpost.
Tell us, how did this shitpost come to be?
This was one of the figures that we wanted to use as a summary for a review that we published in a cellular and molecular immunology, which is a scientific review. And we actually used different softwares, like, for example, Illustrator. And we wanted to really show in a funny way, summarize what the topic of this review was about. And we decided to use pool or billiard, I guess, or I don't know how you pronounce it in English. And we wanted to use that to really show that an intricate game where death is the player and decides which path will be used to really induce cell death.
What is it that followers of science shitpost should take from this shitpost?
So from the shitpost, actually the science behind it is that cell death is fairly complicated. So we usually know death as something bad that happens to people. But on the cellular level, this is actually really, really important. So for example, during the development of an embryo, some cells need to die for the body to really form properly. And in the context of the immune system and, for example, infection with a pathogen, cell death is actually really important to block and, for example, viruses from replicating and becoming even worse. So cell death is very important. The problem is that viruses are very smart as well, and they sometimes develop ways to block cell death. And this is why we, because we're smart too, we evolved other pathways to counteract that. And so this makes these systems very complicated. And what we wanted to show with this drawing is that death is really like playing a game of trying to counteract and play against pathogens or other bad processes, so that no matter what happens, the cells will still die. And this will help us to really keep on living happy and healthy.